Now, it's been close to a week since the Delhi Chief Minister's Tulla remark for the Delhi police sparked not only a controversy but outrage as well. Ever since, the rift between the state government and the Delhi police has only widened. For the men in uniform, not only has Arvind Kejriwal insulted them but undermined their integrity. Anjana Om Kashyap travelled across the national capital to bring you the angry voices in khaki.
दिल्ली पुलिस का अगर कोई ठुल्ला
हमारा इससे बहुत ही आत्मसम्मान गिरा है।
हम दिल्ली की जनता के लिए तो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं।
बच्चे बार बार पूछते हैं पापा आप ठुल्ले हो।
The outrage over Delhi Chief Minister's comment against the Delhi police spilling onto the streets. Confrontations between the two camps only intensifying.
दिल्ली की पुलिस या तो निकम्मी है या उसको अपना काम करने नहीं आता है।
Gauging this anger, India Today travelled across Delhi to bring you the angry voices in khaki.
A day in the life of an ordinary cop in Delhi police. These are the kind of barracks in which they live. Approximately 12 beds here, 24. So approximately 24 cots like this with little wooden planks are laid out for them. They live out of these boxes. Little heaters here where they make their tea. On the other side you can see how a very transit makeshift arrangement has been made for them. The kind of lifestyle they lead is not very simple or very easy.
This is Constable Bhagwan Das. His family stays in Rajasthan. For him, his work is his religion. Kejriwal's comment has shaken his faith in the Delhi government.
बच्चे बार बार पूछते हैं पापा आप ठुल्ले हो। इससे मेरा मन रोने को हो रहा है।
Ironically, it's these men who provide safety to VIPs like Arvind Kejriwal. In Delhi, there are close to 83,800 police personnel. 45,000 of them have been deployed for the security of VIPs, with only about another 38,762 left to safeguard the citizens of Delhi.
मैं 15 अगस्त पे ड्यूटी देता हूँ, मैं घर नहीं जाता, मैं अपने घर पे लक्ष्मी पूजन तक नहीं कर पाता क्योंकि मैं ठुल्ला हूँ। जो बटला हाउस एनकाउंटर में मारे गए हैं, वो जिन्होंने लोगों के लिए जान दी है, वो क्या ठुल्ले हैं?
Now meet Constable Rekha Khetri. She's famous for never sitting on the job, but for Kejriwal perhaps she's a ठुल्ला as well.
मैं उचित नहीं समझती हूँ कि यूनिफॉर्म पहन के बैठा जाए.
Kejriwal's words have hurt not only these men and women, but their families living in police quarters too.
हमें बहुत बुरा लगता है, अच्छा लगता ही नहीं है.
The Delhi Chief Minister's comment has insulted the police of Delhi. And with no remorse from Kejriwal for his words, the divide between the government and the Delhi police is only set to widen. With Anjana Om Kashyap in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.